Alrighty, so first up in our warm-up is a diagram represents what process that occurs in cells. So what's happening here is you have some DNA, a strand of DNA, and the protein here is reading the code of the DNA, and it's producing another protein. So this whole process is called translation, because you're translating the instructions of the DNA into the protein that it's supposed to make. So translation. So which statement best describes how genes and proteins are related? So the correct answer is A. Genes are segments of DNA that code for proteins. So their genes are little strips of DNA that give code for proteins which have specific functions. A is correct. Finally, which sequence of DNA would have the correct base pairs? So remember, A, G, T, and C are the base pairs. So A codes, if you see an A, what it translates into is a T. If you see a T, it translates into an A. If you see a G, that translates into a C. So if you're going down and you're going to translate this first pair, this first group, A translates into T. So you should be looking in group 1 starts with a T. All right. And then so this one's an easy one because there's only one B right here that starts with that. So A translates into T, so it can't be A, it can't be G or C, and it cannot be D. So T goes to A and G goes to C. So you know that first one's right. And then if you go through, you'll see that B continues to match what should be translated out of those groupings. So the correct answer is B. Any questions on the warm-up?
Negative.
Cool. All right, so let me pull up today's thing is. All right, so we're going to go into the week 3 folder. The assignment today is the cell structure and DNA replication Edpuzzle. There are 2 videos. As you watch the videos, if you've done Edpuzzle before, the questions will pop up in the middle of the video based on what you just heard in the video, and you'll be able to answer it right there. We're going to use this class time today to do the assignment to kind of review what we talked about yesterday before we move on to RNA tomorrow. If you have any questions, I will be on, so let me know. So let me walk you through how this works. Go back. All right, so in the week 3 folder, you will see this Edpuzzle right here. When you click on it, all right, there are 3 things you need to see here. 1, in order to sign into class, there's a link right there. So when you click on this link, oops, that's the wrong one. So when you click on this link, this is what you will see. All right, it'll say Summer Biology 2020. There's me. Here's the code. For your nickname, please type in your actual name. Type in your actual name. Otherwise, I'm not going to know who to give credit to. So once you join that class, you'll be able to see the assignments, DNA structure and DNA replication. So once you watch those, then it'll let me know, and I will transfer the grades into the grade book. If you're having trouble with it, I also have the links right here.
So we just watch the videos?
Yeah, watch the videos, and so let me show you an example.
DNA has a beautiful structure, and that structure will help you understand how inheritance works. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid.
That's our assignment today?
Right. So you see how like a question popped up right here?
Yeah.
Yep. All right. What does DNA stand for? It's right on the screen. So click on it, hit submit. It'll tell you if you got it right or wrong, and then you can continue
It's
watching
a
the
type
videos.
of nucleic.
All right. So that's your assignment for today. If you have a good handle on it, you can watch it and do this on your own. If you have any questions, I will keep this chat open until excuse me, until 12:50 when the class ends. If you need help, pop back in and ask some questions. All right. Any questions before I leave you, or you can? I mean, you get started on your own. All right. I'll be here. If you want to do this on your own, that's fine. But I will be here to answer questions if you need me. All right. That's all.